At Campbell Mechanical Services, we keep commercial buildings and systems running efficiently. Watch this video for information on optimizing your HVAC, plumbing, and mechanical systems.
Hey Zach, I'm curious, what type of buildings benefit most from our preventive maintenance programs?
You know, Marty, we particularly see healthcare, manufacturing, education, and municipal facilities benefit most from our preventative maintenance programs.
Zach, what makes those buildings such good candidates?
It's actually more about the organization's mindset than just the building size. Our most successful partnerships are with companies that are steady and intentional in their planning. They understand that an emergency repair can cost 3 to 4 times more than preventative maintenance.
Zach, what about their approach to technology?
That's a great point. Our ideal partners are pragmatic about technology. They'll adopt it when it clearly supports stability and cost savings. Many are perfect candidates for building automation systems that can reduce energy costs by up to 30%.
Wow. Do you see any common traits in how they make these decisions?
Definitely. They're thorough researchers, often seeking referrals and case studies. They're not looking for the lowest bid. They're looking for the most reliable, long-term solution. These organizations understand that every dollar spent on preventative maintenance can save you $5 in the future.
Sounds like they're taking a long-term view.
Absolutely. They're focused on protecting their capital investments while managing annual operating costs. That's why our fixed cost programs resonate so well. It aligns perfectly with their facility and financial goals. To discover how Campbell Mechanical Services can help protect your building investment, reach out to your Campbell Solutions provider. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you on the next Coffee with Campbell.
Whether it's a quick question or a challenge you need help solving, give your Campbell rep a call today.